Bam! Okay guys, I thought I would talk about reactive hypoglycemic that people, and let's say physiological insulin resistance that people develop on a ketogenic protocol, which is why they seem to develop the early morning dawns effect often. So let's talk about that. So reactive hypoglycemia. Now our brains are used to eating carbohydrates, blood sugar shoots up too high, insulin takes the blood sugar down too low, glucagon's not responding as it should because we're constantly eating carbs. We can't get into a homeostatic balance and boom, we become tired. Now, reactive hypoglycemia can also be connected to the circadian rhythm from the cortisol to melatonin shift, where people naturally might feel a little bit more tired as melatonin begins to rise. But the level of exhaustion in the middle of the day, and people in front of their computers, and they cannot focus, and then they do keto, they often develop reactive hypoglycemia, especially if they start trying to intermittent fast and not knowing what their blood sugar is like prior to starting a ketogenic protocol. So, yes. So reactive hypoglycemic symptoms are shaky, nauseous, tired, moody, hungry, hangry. What else? Feeling sick, feeling lethargic, and a lot of people are starting to develop really low levels of cortisol, especially women, when they start doing keto. They already have thyroid issues. They can't distinguish the difference between thyroid and adrenal dysfunction, or blood sugar issues like either resistant or no, just resistant, or the blood sugar numbers are too high. So what you want to do if you are having hypoglycemic responses trying to do keto is either graduate your carbs down, or you could do 3 main meals with fat snacks in between with a little bit of really fatty protein. Like what's a good one is pork belly, because it's mostly fat. So you get a little bit of the protein and you get the fat, and you have it just a little bit in between, like mid-morning, mid-afternoon, and potentially, depending on if you guys have reactive hypoglycemia in the middle of the night, which should be another video. A lot of you guys do have reactive hypoglycemia in the middle of the night, which wakes you up. It's not the water that you think it's water. Okay guys, if you want to learn more on how to combat the hypoglycemic response, sort of like a keto flu response, that if you do it, if you have too much hypoglycemia, you guys will start to create damage. And that's the whole thing about people talking about the potentials of damage with keto. Yes, we don't want that. So if you want to learn more, go to stephanieperson.com. Remember, this is the mother-sucking business at the age of 50. And you guys know I'm writing the Ultimate Keto book. I know I keep talking about it. It is really for you guys. It started off being a simple book and it became more complicated because I keep seeing books with misinformation, and I'm tired of people being sick contacting me with things like hypoglycemia and thyroid problems. Number one, and men with low testosterone. I was like, my testosterone is getting lower and my cholesterol numbers are wonky because I'm eating a bunch of horrible oxidized oils and peanut butter and almond butter and all this kind of cream cheese and crap. So if you guys want to learn more, you can go to stephanieperson.com, Stephanie the Business Person on my Facebook fan page, Stephanie Ketogenic on my Instagram. I'm out because I got stuff to do. That's why I got jeans on. Yeah, like I never wear jeans. I'm always in workout pants, but I'm out. And have a great day, guys. Peace. I try to turn it off. It's not going off. Here we go.